Hey, I'm Melvin Yates with the flagship group of Exit Flagship Realty. Welcome to 9037 Glenarden Parkway, Glenarden, Maryland 20706. We have a beautiful home, one of its kind in all of Glenarden. We're 2 houses away from Woodmore Town Center, walking distance from the Wegmans and the Costco. We've got over 3,000 square feet of living space in this raised Rambler. We've got a new roof, new gutters, new gutter guards. But the home was built in 1960. The original owner lived here for 60 years. So the home's a little rough around the edges like me, but the home has great use. It could be assisted living facility, group home, veterans home, or you could just bring your family and raise your family on this almost 1 acre lot, the largest lot in all of Glenarden. Let's take a look inside. All right, 9037 Glenarden Parkway, Glenarden, Maryland 20706. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3,000 square feet, 0.8 acres, largest lot in all of Glenarden. Walk to Wegmans, great location, 2 minutes from the Beltway and 50. What more could you want?